Financial freedom. It's a phrase that gets tossed around a lot, but what does it truly mean? In the simplest terms, financial freedom is about having choices. It's about reaching a point where you're not living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money. It's about having the means to pursue your passions, take care of your family, and sleep soundly at night knowing you're financially secure. Financial independence isn't about being rich. It's about having control over your finances. It's about having options and the ability to make decisions that align with your values and aspirations, not dictated by your bank account. Imagine being able to quit a job you hate, start your own business, or retire early. That's the power of financial freedom. This journey to financial independence isn't always easy, but it's absolutely achievable with the right mindset and tools. It's about making conscious choices today that will pave the way for a brighter and more secure tomorrow. It's time to take charge of your financial future and start building the life you've always envisioned. The first step towards financial freedom is understanding where your money is going. You can't fix what you don't track. Start by creating a budget. Don't think of it as restrictive, but as a roadmap to your goals. List out all your income sources and track every single expense, no matter how small. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back. Eating out less, finding cheaper entertainment options, and negotiating lower bills are just a few examples. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. The goal is to free up as much cash as possible to put towards your financial goals. Living below your means is crucial for achieving financial freedom. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices. Avoid impulse purchases and prioritize needs over wants. Remember, the more you save today, the faster you'll reach your financial goals. Relying solely on one income stream can be risky. Diversifying your income sources provides financial security and accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Explore different options to create multiple streams of income. Consider freelancing or consulting in your field of expertise. The gig economy offers numerous opportunities to leverage your skills and earn extra money. If you enjoy creating, think about selling products online through platforms like Etsy or starting a YouTube channel or blog. Real estate is another avenue for generating passive income. You could become a landlord or explore Airbnb hosting. The key is to identify your interests and skills and find creative ways to monetize them. Remember, multiple income streams provide a safety net and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Securing your future. Saving and investing wisely. Saving and investing are the cornerstones of financial freedom. While saving involves setting aside money for short-term goals or emergencies, investing is about growing your wealth over the long term. Start by building an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net protects you from unexpected financial setbacks and prevents you from going into debt. Once your emergency fund is established, focus on investing. For beginners, low-cost index funds or mutual funds are a great starting point. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds, reducing risk and maximizing returns. As your knowledge grows, you can explore other investment options like real estate or individual stocks. Navigating debt, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Not all debt is created equal. Good debt, like a mortgage or a student loan, can help you build wealth or enhance your earning potential. Bad debt, like credit card debt or payday loans, comes with high interest rates and traps you in a cycle of debt. Prioritize paying off bad debt as quickly as possible. Use the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on other debts. This strategy creates momentum and keeps you motivated. Avoid accumulating new debt by living below your means, using cash instead of credit cards, and saving for large purchases. Remember, being debt-free gives you financial freedom and peace of mind. Protecting your hard-earned wealth insurance and retirement planning. Protecting your assets and planning for the future are crucial aspects of financial freedom. Insurance acts as a safety net, safeguarding you from unexpected events that could derail your financial progress. Ensure you have adequate health, auto, and home insurance coverage. Life insurance is also crucial, especially if you have dependents, as it provides financial security for your loved ones in your absence. Retirement may seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. The power of compound interest is on your side when you start early, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Start your journey to financial freedom today. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards are immeasurable. Take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones.